Hey guys, so here's my 2017 Firework stash. And so we got a Lady Liberty fountain and a half brick of Thunderbomb firecrackers. Alright, thanks. Just kidding. Here's my rest of my stash. I got some Blue Streak rockets. I got 3 of these left. These are not that good actually. They explode prematurely, so I wouldn't really recommend it. Have some Whistling Moon Travelers by Cutting Edge. These are alright. I hope these are good because I looked in the rocket and it's only halfway filled. It's not even halfway filled. So hopefully these are good. Have a rocket assortment by Phantom. In it we have the 8-ounce assorted Wolfpack rockets. So we got 12 of them. Got a jumbo whistling Wolfpack rocket. 12 of those. Got Trill whistling rocket and a saber rattling rocket. And that's for the assortment. And these Blue Streak rockets also came in the assortment, which I took out. Next, I have the Niagara Falls assortment. Hold on, let me open this up. So, in this assortment, we have a multicolor rocket, 6 of those. Got some snaps. Got a tank with report. Got some jumping jacks, I think 5 of these. Got 2 happiness fountains. A Saturn battery, 25 shot. A plane flying at night. Mars stars, floor show. So that's that. Some spinners, 3 of those. M98. Got some Wolfpack bottle rockets. Some mini salutes that I put in here. Some triangle crackers. 5 of these. 2 strips of 100 Wolfpack firecrackers. 2 morning glories. A pack of ground bloom flowers. Some Mega Banger ladyfingers, 3 of these. Small bees. A pack of 6 5-ball Roman candles. And we have a box of Copperhead mini shell kits. So that's that. Moving on, we have my Roman candle assortment. So in this assortment we have, give me 1 second. Okay. We have a 10 ball long rifle. 6 of those. Get this shit out. Another 10 ball. I think this, yeah, just 10 ball Roman candles. 10 guns Lilling salute, 4 of these. There should be 10 ball as well. Roman candle report. 10 ball colored pearls. Got a Wolfpack, crackling Wolfpack right here, and a blue Roman candle, which probably shoots blue stars for report as well. So that's that for those. Moving on, we have 5-inch canister cells by Sky King Fireworks. I got this for 75% off in its Memorial Day sale, so I got it for like $50. Guess that's a pretty good deal. Right here we have some bangers, I guess you could say. You know, got a few of these. So if you know what I mean, they give a little boom boom. Along with these, I got if you know what these are, These should make a nice sound. Honestly, I think this is the loudest firework I have in my stash. So I have 2 boxes of these. So got 12 in total, including this, 13. And so that's pretty much it. That's my firework stash for this 4th of July season. And it should be fun. Alright, thanks.